could touch snakes. Oh my gosh, what is that? Look how beautiful that is. See him in there?
All right, and I have no.
Oh, that's a really cool one. I like that. I'm just gonna hit straight.
Awesome. Okay. What am I supposed to do?
Go get some money or go spend some money.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome. What is everyone? Whoa. What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. I've got a blindfold, and as you can tell by the title and thumbnail of this video, I'm gonna be blindfolded, spun around.
That was the worst intro I've ever seen in my life. That was so bad.
I thought it was pretty good.
That was so bad.
Listen,
there was
Brenton,
a massive lack of energy
spin
there.
me around, Brenton.
He needs to shut up.
Spin me around, and then we can go there, and I'll touch. Whatever I touch, we buy.
You're not even facing the right direction.
Oh, sorry guys. What I was trying to say was, I'm gonna be blindfolded, just like this. Brendan's gonna spin me around. We're gonna walk through the aisles inside this fish store, and whatever the heck I literally touch, you'll hear a money sign. And that money sign, well.
Thank you. Like, what was that? What was that?
I'm sorry, guys. Understood?
Well, I wasn't listening. Could you go again? What are we doing?
so done with you.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, okay.
Go. Lead. Jurassic Park pajamas.
Do not insult the Jurassic Park pants.
All right. Come on, fellas. Go, Brenton.
Okay.
Ladies first. I think I said the same thing last time we did this video too.
Really?
I'm pretty sure.
You say it to me every time.
All right, so of course, first before we put these on, we got to do a route because I got to try to memorize imagery. I got to imagery memorize what the heck is in the store. We're gonna stay away from this. Away from this. Although, wait a second. Maybe we'll come over here. These could always be good, but like I said, fish. As you can see, we have some obstacles though. These obstacles are very hard to walk through if I had a blindfold on. I'd probably end up touching some of these beta fish. More cichlids over here, as you can see. Lots of cichlids. What do we got over here? We have so much, oh my goodness, dude. Listen, we could touch snakes.
No, we don't need to do that.
We could touch snakes. Why not?
We could also touch?
What?
The little drippler.
The little drippler. I mean, we have a lot. Look at this. This selection is endless. We might just buy stuff we don't even need. If I touch it, I buy it, right?
And then you just give it, what do you do with it after that, though?
Probably just donate it back to the store. This is the show tank, which, as you know, at this pet store specifically, there's always a lot of fish in this show tank. Big pleco. Look at that. Bright electric blue. Lots more cichlids. Oh, that's a really cool one. I like that. I like that one. Our budget for this trip. This last video was $5.
Oh, it's a budget.
It's a budget.
So I gotta tally on what you're hitting the nay-nay
Yeah,
on.
as long as they don't go over my budget, we're good.
Yeah.
The first video was 500, the second video was 1,000, so I feel like it's only right that we're at $1,001.
$1,001.
Yes, $1,001 budget. We probably won't even get close to that. Yeah, we will. Maybe. We shall see. We shall see. Let's hope not. Good gracious. I hope I pick a $20 fish.
That is perfectly fine. Is it just one pick though? Or
I think we do one pick.
One solid.
Just one solid. You know? Look at the flower horn. Look how cute he is. His face is a little sideways. See? His little mouth is sideways. I like him though. He's cool. Fox face. Fox face. We got fox face. We have some other tang species, some puffer fish. Check that out. That right there is a Valentini puffer. Some damsels, which we got our damsels here actually for the reef pond. We got our damsels here, and they're now huge. They're no longer the size these are. They're actually like this big, which is crazy how fast they've grown. They're little tiny aggressive little you-know-whats, little pain in the butts. That's what they are. I wonder if that one's for sale. If I touch this pond, I wouldn't totally be against anything, right? If I just... That'd be nice. We have our little tiny map turtles. We have a good selection of baby turtles over here, which I know this area by heart.
Yeah,
as you can see, little pink belly side neck right there laying in the sand. I know this area.
Ooh, head this direction. I love these little mamas.
Yeah, they are cool. I love baby turtles. A beautiful unicorn tang. I have one of those. I have a big one of those inside the reef pond. A massive, massive one of those already. Lionfish, look at the lionfish. Baby lionfish. And probably the biggest looks like to be maybe a pair of clownfish I've ever seen. All of this is inverts. Arrow crabs, blood shrimp. All this is invertebrates the entire way through. Blood shrimps and everything. Look at it all.
Never mind, you might have this one. I don't know. Is that a dog face puffer?
Yep.
You don't have them.
I don't have that.
Yeah.
Dog face puffer.
It kind of looks like you.
I'm not gonna lie, that flower horn is very, very cool. I like that flower horn. There's a nice Oscar up there too. And look at the coloration on that cichlid. Look at those colors. Holy polka dots. And then just a random assortment of fish in here. Go up to the next one, some goldfish. Over here, more random assortments all the way through this entire aisle. All right, it's time. We're about to put this blindfold on and see what the heck I touch. Now we have the invertebrates to the right of me, to the left of you. We have some plants, and then the big show tank to the right of you, left of me. It's gonna be intense. You don't let me touch anything that you don't want.
Oh, okay.
I'm just kidding. Whatever the heck I touch, I have to buy. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's the worst part about this video, but also the best part. So right now I'm about to put this on, and the second I put it on, you're gonna spin me.
I'm gonna spin you around.
And then I'm gonna walk, whether we go this way or that way.
Got this.
First thing and only thing I touch, we buy.
Okay, easy money. Give me that hand. Let me
Just
spin
spin
you.
me.
Let me spin you around. Let me spin you around. Let me spin you around.
All right.
All right, and
I have no idea. I'm keeping my
brother has no idea where he is.
Where do you want me to go?
I want you to come towards me, baby.
I'm gonna follow your voice.
Yeah, you're gonna follow something else too.
What do people think in the store that are like see us just
No, they're so confused.
with a blindfold and I'm following a guy?
Yeah. No, not up there. Not up there.
Dude, it's so confusing. Where am I?
You are.
I just touched something.
No, it was not an item.
What
It
is
was,
this?
it was not an item.
I just touched this.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Oh, okay.
Oh, I just touched this.
You did touch that.
Whatever this is, a bowl.
Okay, that's not what we're buying.
But should we buy it? I touched it.
Yeah. Okay. First live animal. First live.
Okay.
Aquatic
All right,
thing.
we're not buying the. But where's the camera?
I'm over here, Paul.
I'm not gonna buy.
Oh my God. You're good. You're doing great, Munchkin.
Oh, I hear it. This is the chameleon enclosure.
Oh, good job.
I hear it. If that was glass, turtle straight ahead. Correct?
Good job.
Okay. So I have about. That's about my space right there. All right.
You're doing good. You're doing real good here.
Oh, what did
didn't
you just
touch it.
You
touch?
didn't touch it. You didn't touch it.
That was
Okay,
my
okay.
hip. That was my
I'm
hip.
sorry.
I don't know what this is. What is that?
No. You just hit this brick thing.
It was
This-
the brick. It hurt actually.
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Pretty bad.
It's all right.
All right.
I'm
I'm
there you
following
go.
your voice.
This one.
Yep.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. You were.
Wow, dude. You know I know this store. I've been here 100 times. So
There is a massive thing of agua right there.
I know it. I can see it glowing through the blackness. Not gonna lie, I didn't really have a fan of anything that was in there.
Okay. Okay.
Besides the flower horn, that was cool. I love how I kind of know where I'm at. This is
You
crazy.
do kind of know where you're at. I'm just waiting for you to stick your hands out and you to accidentally hit the glide
I'm just gonna hit the straight.
on some. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Wait. Is that? Why the did you do that? Why did you do that?
why did you do that,
Why
bro?
did you do
I
that?
have no idea. Is this damsels? This is
Well, that
damsels.
doesn't.
I already have 100.
Why
of
did you do
these
that?
things.
Why did you do that? We were still walking.
Where is?
There's fish in here.
Is
I don't-
there?
Yeah.
Can I take my blindfold
no,
off?
No, don't take it off yet. Don't take it off yet. All right. There is an emperor in here.
Okay.
There's a sailfin in
Emperor
here.
what? Emperor what?
An emperor goldfish.
Emperor
there's a,
goldfish.
There's a sailfin.
Don't even
and-
know that was a thing.
And there's
All right.
there's a raccoon.
A raccoon. A raccoon? A raccoon
There's
butterfly.
There's a raccoon.
The butterfly raccoon, yellow, black, white stripe.
No, they look like a burglar. They have a mask on.
Dude, it is so bright in here when you take those off.
Brother, you just walked right
Wow,
into that.
There
I watched
are
your
no
hand
guarantees
glow
on
and
any
shake full of
saltwater
energy and just.
Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful sailfin.
I guess you just get to. Oh, can I pick what's in there that you get?
Sure,
Okay.
we could do that.
I
We
want
could
the-
do that.
I want the little one hiding back there.
I showed this earlier, I think.
He's right there. There he is.
Oh, he is hiding, bro. Look
Yeah,
at him.
that. You like that?
The raccoon butterfly.
Yeah.
That is exactly what I. Oh my.
That's the raccoon.
Oh my gosh.
That's the raccoon.
That's the raccoon.
That's the raccoon.
Dude, he's on a.
Bro.
He's on another one. So I just touched
The raccoon?
The raccoon butterfly.
It's sold.
Oh my gosh.
No, not to you. Well, to you it is.
Oh. Wait, for real?
That's serious.
Oh.
I got you for a second. I'm sorry.
Oh, you got me so
That's
good.
the one fish I wanted out of it.
You got me so good. All right, butterfly. That's what we're getting. Raccoon butterfly. Whenever you're ready.
I got you.
Thank you. Dude, and I didn't touch the ribbon eel. Look at this ribbon eel. I could have touched the ribbon eel. That's sick. Ghost ribbon. And it was just right here. Right there.
This is Kyle.
Oh my gosh, what is that? It looks like a caiman. Oh,
It's a red-eye skinky crocodilian.
that is sweet. I know that's not what it is,
It
but
is.
that was sweet.
It is.
No. Are you trying to get me to touch this thing?
Yeah. No, no, no.
No, no, no.
This is Kyle.
This is Kyle, the red-eyed crocodilian skink.
He has nothing behind those little eyes. He has absolutely zero thoughts. You can just tell.
Yeah, he's so cute though.
Yep.
Well, unfortunately, I didn't touch it this time.
Aw.
Next time. I didn't even come to the reptile section. Do we do this reptile version, Cuffaros? If you think we should, let them know.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. What were people thinking in the store when I had a blindfold walking around?
Well, at first, the one lady, she thought you were a sales associate trying to come in here and sell stuff.
Oh, well, that would have been a good sales tactic, I guess.
And then she knew you were a YouTuber, and she's like, ah.
Oh, those YouTube kids. There we go. And just like that, Buddy's coming home to the reef pond. It is hit or miss. Whatever I touch, I might not have a place for, so. Wow. Look at that. Holy smokes.
Something cool to show you all.
Let's see it.
Come on over here. He's over here.
Oh my goodness.
Looks like a piece of coral.
Look at that. Scorpion fish. Check this out. Would you even notice it's a fish? There's two eyes right there, and there's the mouth. Scorpion fish. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, of course.
Good old blindfold challenge. Another one in the books. It's three. Three now. We got her, baby. Check it out.
Yeah. Rochelle. We got Rochelle. Yeah, it's Rochelle. Brother, where are you going? Homie goes, let's walk out. Turns around, leaves me. Bring Rochelle.
We got Rochelle.
That is
this one's
amazing.
name, or should we let them name it?
I don't know.
That's the door, Brenton. Hey guys, if you don't mind us, do me a favor. Go in the comments down below and name this fish.
Rochelle.
We need to name. It's either Rochelle or going to be another name in the comments down below.
It's gonna be
Rochelle's
Rochelle.
The favorited name. It's like when you're doing odds, when you're,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if this is Rochelle so far, as of now, this is called a raccoon butterfly fish. And it's going to go inside the reef pond. So I'm super excited with the outcome of this video. I love doing these. If you want to see more blindfold challenges, make sure to leave a like in the description down below.
You're doing so well.
Make sure to leave a like down below, and we can do more of these.
Good job. Go
Thanks.
Pookie.
Thanks, Jaquan. Alrighty, we're back home, and Mr. Butterfly has been vibing, has been absolutely acclimating for the last like 30-40 minutes, and I can't wait to get him in. This is a really, really beautiful fish. It's called a raccoon butterfly, and I guess they get the name from that little face, got the black and white like that, the raccoon look. So we're gonna unbag him, and preferably just kind of scoop him with our hand because we don't want his fins to get stuck in a net. Look how beautiful that is. See him in there? Yeah, bud. All right, here we go. Look at that. Look at that fish. That is stunning. Probably one of the most pretty fish I have in this pond, to be quite honest with you. All right, buddy, ready? Whoop. There he goes. There's his butterfly friend. That's another butterfly we have. Imagine being put into this pond, you land in the water, and this is what you see. Just 100 fish, just like swimming around. There's this butterfly buddy over there, coming right to the camera now. And I just can't imagine landing in here and wondering what the heck is going on, right? Here's this little parasite guy cleaning them off. It's so cool. It's so cool to watch. Oh, they're kissing. But it's cool to see that the other fish let that fish do the job, you know? They let them do it. It's like they just naturally know. Where is our new guy? Where is he? There he is. He's right here. He's coming out. Oh, he's in the far back over there with the purple tang and the queen angel fish, French angel, sailfin up here, blue tang, his other butterfly, Achilles tang. I mean, you name it. We've got pretty much everything you can think of in this pond. Hey, bud. Coming to say what's up to the camera, huh? The best view we've got of him yet, right in front of the camera. Oh, what's up, dude? Love to see it. New raccoon butterfly with the blindfold. Like I said, if you want to see more blindfold stuff, make sure to leave a like down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!